So today we are going to continue on with the motorcycle build. We're working on the motor still. And today we're going to work on cleaning up the heads again. We're going to work on the heads. I have to disassemble the valve springs and everything, and then keep everything organized, and then clean up those heads. And they're pretty messy, so.
Okay. Very dirty. 今日の仕事は、汚いヘッド、トップ、上にかぶせてあるものをきれいにします。トップ。
Yeah. Yeah. Top.
モーター、right?
Yeah, top of the motor.
モーターのトップ、モーターの上についている蓋ですね。それをきれいにします。
And then Masako won't be joining me too much today because she's having a little tea party with her friends. So
Yes, I haven't had a tea
I don't want to
party.
be in. I don't want to be in her way. So
I have been tea party long time.
I know it's been a while.
A while.
It's been a while, probably over a year, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So she's having some friends over. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay
Thank
tuned.
you.
Hope we can keep this one short.
Yes. Enjoy.
Okay, I'm gonna go say thank you to Masako. She made me a nice little sort of breakfast here. I'm gonna see her friends. Hello.
Hello. I'm making a video.
Just real quick.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Thanks, babe.
Okay, well, YouTube.
You guys are in the shade. It looks good. Looks like fun.
Fun.
I don't want to bother you.
れます。He's using a baking soda for the cleaning the machine. Good. I'm using a lot of baking soda today for making the muffin. Not a lot. Baking soda. You can making a lot of cake. You can. Oh, it's very smoky.
Okay, so yeah, we just finished for the day and working on the heads.
You're working hard.
Yeah. I had to. I took out the valves, took those out, and inspected those, and they do need to be replaced. I think there's some marks that aren't really good on.
今日の仕事は終わりです。トップを取ってきれいに洗ってすべて終了しました。とても忙しく働いて私は何もしてません。Okay.
Yeah, I use the stuff here. LA's totally awesome, and it's an all-purpose concentrate cleaner, degreaser, spot remover. I don't know, that's what it says on the bottle, and it is like eating the oil away off of that. You're supposed to let them soak overnight in this stuff. It's almost a 100% solution that you use. You can dilute it, but I'm using 100%, and it's just like that bucket's like full of mud. So
yeah.
we'll take it out in the morning and wash it off, and probably inspect them and see how they turn out.
このプロダクトを使って取ったんですけど、スポットちっちゃなシミを油とシミを取る、スペシャルな、特別な石鹸なんですけど、これに1日つけたらすべての、汚いオイルがすべて取れました。コマーシャルです。Not これもTV show.
Yeah, no kidding. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully you can look out for the next video.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. さよなら。